Imagine trying to read a book where every word is replaced by a symbol you don't know. That's exactly what an electrical plant looks like. Each one gang controls one light bulb from one spot, like a single door key that only opens one door. One-way switch, two gangs, controls one light from two locations, like having a light switch at both ends of a hallway, which presents no need to walk back in the dark. Two-way switch, two gangs. Same idea, but for two lights. Think of two hallways with switches each at both ends. Intermediate switches allows control of light from 3 or more places, and this is common in hotel corridors. A push button switch and it works only when pressed. Exactly like your doorbell, power flows only when your fingers are on it. Waterproof switches. They are safe for outdoors or wet areas like bathroom. Like wearing a rainbow, they keep you dry and safe. Let's move on to lighting fixtures. Switches are the brains, but light are the eyes of a building. They decide how we feel and see in a space. And let's look at the different types. Ceiling recess LED spotlights. These are small light bulbs built into the ceiling. Think of them like tiny light stars, bright and focused, and barely visible until they shine. Surface mounted downlights. They are fixed onto the ceiling surface like the sun and moon, spreading light down. Wall-mounted lights. These are tough waterproof lights, and they are guards on your house walls. LED strip lights. They are just long continuous ribbons of light. They are the jewelry of a room, both beautiful and functional. Indirect light. These are hidden sources of light which reflects light softly. Like moonlight, you don't see the source, but you see it glowing. Section 3. Emergency and exit lighting. These are light you think you never need, but when they do, they save your life. And they are different types. We have the emergency light with battery backup, which switches on when the main power fails. Like a parachute, silent until you need it. Exit sign. This guides people out safely. Wall-mounted exit signs. They are always placed above doors for visibility, like a green traffic light over the doorway, saying, exit here. Section 4. Control devices and sensors. Now let's look at the devices that think for us, the ones that make light automatic. We have 1. The motion detector. They are usually ceiling mounted and they turn on light when motion is detected, like an invisible butler who lights up the room when somebody moves in. The timer, it keeps light on the set time, and it shuts the light off when not in use, so it saves energy. Section 5. Junction and distribution boxes. And junction box. It's a safe place where wires connect. It works just like a post office where wires come in, get selected, and sent to the right address. 2. We have the switch stations. These are groups of switches in one place. Distribution boards. This is the main panel distributing electricity to circuits. It's just like the heart of a human, pumping electricity to every room in the building. And finally, cable notations. We could have the 1.5 cable, the 2.5, the 4mm cable. And this is just like water pipes. The bigger the pipe, the more current it can carry. Now, you don't just see the symbols, you understand them. So imagine being able to wire an entire building with confidence. Hit subscribe, let's build together. But before you go, please, I want to know what you learned on the comment section of this video. Thank you, I'll be down there.